Here is another simple equation for us to solve. Differentiate y is equal to 6x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 5 at x equal to 3. We're going to differentiate this equation by applying the principle I taught you earlier on. So we're going to differentiate term-wise. As I said, this is a term, a term, a term, and a term. So when you differentiate y, you have dy dx. So solution, dy dx. Now differentiate 6x cubed with respect to x. The rule is that you take the power, multiply this whole term, the power first, which is 3, times everything here, 6x cubed. Now subtract 1 from the power. I have minus 1. I move to my next step. Minus is here, so minus. What is power here? 2. So 2 times this whole term. So 2 times 7x squared. Now you subtract 1 from the power. Minus 1. Plus. What is the power here? Power of x is 1. So 1 times everything. 1 times 4x. Then 1 minus 1 plus. Now, we are differentiating this whole equation with respect to x. You observe that this 5 here does not have x. This 5 is independent of x, doesn't contain x. Hence, when you differentiate this constant term, it becomes 0 because we are differentiating with respect to x. So, plus 0. So, dy over dx, 3 times 6, 18, x squared, minus 2 times 7 is 14, 2 minus 1 is 1. You get it? Plus 1 times 4 is 4, x, 1 minus 1 is 0. Hope it's clear. I just simplify. 3 times 6 is 18. Now we focus on the x. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2 times 7 is 14. Now we focus on the x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus 4. So I can further write this as dy over dx is equal to 18x squared minus 14x plus 4. Alright? As I said, x power 0 is equal to 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. Now, we are told to differentiate this equation at x equal to 3. In other words, I'm going to substitute the value of 3 in place of x. Anywhere we see x, we'll now put 3 there. So let's substitute. When we substitute, we have 18 times 3 all squared minus 4 times 3 plus 4. Have 18 times 9 minus 14 times 3 plus 4. Then, when you calculate, your answer comes out. Our answer is 124. I hope this is clear. Yeah.